my Czechoslovakian war factory here in Dozel Park, Boca. There's some really beautiful lanterns here. Wanted to go walk. Decided to do my posting my Czechoslovakian war fighter state reunion earlier. So why I did that TikTok meme is I just simply want to do an ironic version of the thing. I watched this video by Cynical about a month or so ago. I watched it, and he was talking about how cancerous that specific meme. You know, why do good Jews like bad guys? I've had this question for a really long time. Oh wait, it wasn't about Jews and guys. It was more politically correct, but it was still cancerous. So yeah, no. And I'll keep liking Pepe. There's racist and unracist who like Pepe, and racist and unracist who don't like Pepe. So yeah, and that was a joke. So goys and Jews are equal. So they were made equal by God. So you can fight me to the death over that. Now, let's see here. So back to that. Yeah, no. And he like did this spoof where it's like when it got to the bad boys part, it like the camera showed up on like this like unit of this doll, this like dude. It was like this little doll, and it was pretty funny, the irony. And then and he was all making fun of them too. It's like they're always like they take off their shirt, always they have a leather vest, always the sunglasses, always this and that. It's like, yeah, that's true. They're always doing the same dang thing. And so, and then I watched this like you laugh you lose thing with PewDiePie, and there was some like actually funny TikToks thing. It's like, okay, it's actually funny. So anyways, but yeah, I actually decided to do that with the crane because I thought it'd be funny, and the irony too. And I just thought, hey, it would be so bad it's good. And I thought, it would either be received really well or it wouldn't, or be polarizing. And I think was the third. I think some of you liked it, but others really hated it. I am not doing TikTok anymore, though. Even for you guys who like it. Nope, I'm not. I listened to both sides now, and I did some research. Thought two things. One, I can make really good short videos like the Jordan Pringles one. Y'all like that. I don't think anybody hated that. I at least didn't get that impression, and it was way shorter too, and we all had fun with that. And you can go on my Discord, I'll leave a link, and you can follow the journeys of Jordan Pringles getting kidnapped and try to help Japanese police capture him and capture the perpetrator. And then there's let's see, and then also just TikTok doesn't really tend to like encourage like people on making good content, unique content. They seem to just do the same dumb thing over and over again. And YouTube is pretty crappy too, but at least there's more like people doing their own things and stuff. So it might be cancerous, but at least it's a better cancer. So that must be good to go, and for me to go and focus more on trying to do accounts other places, just in case YouTube does completely go over, because right now it's a David and Goliath thing against big YouTube that's screwing people over with all the demonetizations and all this politically correct stuff, and YouTube we run, it's like, ugh. So anyways, if nothing else, the TikTok video was better than me running. I don't really, no, no. Anyways, so I'll find out in the future if I actually like feel good about the video or not personally, but I'm not doing it. I don't want to do that. I'll continue making Japan posts, so things including the Pringles, and dude, and then pictures, and then just want to also say that when I come back, I want to do a different. I have some unique ideas for memes / shit posting that I don't think people have ever really done before. I want to try doing, and I'd love to continue making music. I'd love to continue doing streams and all that good stuff. So, yeah, if you're new to this channel too, you should check out my own personal favorites. It's a playlist of a mix of different memes, shitposts, and music, and there might be some other random stuff that isn't even those categories that are like my personal favorites of stuff they uploaded. So yeah, alright guys, blessings, much love from Japan. Alright, adios, bye bye.